Hi everybody, this is Patrick from Dougie Dashboard. Today I'm going to show you how to use the archiving tool. So archiving in Dougie Dashboard terminology is a way to keep a client or pet's information in your database, but remove them from the drop-down menus for appointments, for invoicing, for check-ins. This is great if a client has become inactive and you don't want to remove them from your database completely, but if they come back to your business in the future, you want to be able to start creating invoices or appointments for them. So let's imagine Philip Jones here. He has 4 dogs. We want to archive him. First, to show you how he shows up here on, let's say, the invoicing page, if we type in Philip, there's Philip Jones and his 4 dogs. He shows up. Now, let's imagine that Philip is now going to be moving away and he says, hey, I might come back in a year or two. I'm not sure. So maybe I'll see you in the future. We're going to open the archiving tool and we're going to archive Philip Jones, and that's going to archive all of his pets right now. So he's been removed from the database, but his data's been saved. If we go back here to the invoicing page and we type in Philip, you'll see that he does not show up. There's Philip Walter, but there's no Philip Jones anymore because he has been archived, and so he will no longer show up in these drop-down menus. Now let's imagine when Philip becomes a client again in the future, all we have to do is open the archiving tool. We're going to unarchive him, and then we're going to go here and unarchive all of his pets as well, so they show up. We go back here, refresh the invoicing page, and now when we type in Philip, there's Philip Jones right there with his 4 dogs. We can also do the same thing with pets. Now, when we click here to create a new appointment, all 4 of Philip's pets are going to show up right here as possible pets to select. Let's imagine one of the pets maybe passes away like Bella. What we're going to do is let's first go to Bella's profile. We're going to edit her name here, and we're going to just put the word, this is really whatever you want to write here. We're going to write deceased just on her name there. Going to update that. And now if we go back to Philip's profile, you'll see it says Bella deceased, but if we go here to create a new appointment, you're still going to see Bella on that menu because she's not been archived. So what we're going to do here is go to the archiving tool, click on Bella. She's now been archived, so she's saved in the system. Her data is still in the system. It's right here if we click on it. But you notice there's going to be this archive alert saying that she's been archived. Now if we go back to Philip's profile and create a new appointment, you'll see that Bella has been removed from the list of pets. It's just Antonio, Daisy, and Ramsey. Let's imagine that maybe this client sells one of their dogs or gets rid of one of their dogs. Let's get rid of Ramsey. We go back to the archiving tool. We're going to archive Ramsey. And now the next time we go here to a new appointment, we're going to see just Antonio and Daisy May. And so how it works is basically archiving tool, and then you can, when you archive a client, it's going to archive all their pets with them. If a client has been archived, their pets need to be archived as well, and they will not show up throughout the system. If you have one pet that you want to unarchive, it's going to automatically unarchive the client as well. You can't have a client that is you can't have an archived client with unarchived pets. They have to be the same basically. So if your client is going to be archived, all their pets will be archived and they will not show up anywhere in the database. Or if you just want to have one of their pets maybe archived, like a deceased, you would just go like this. And now we have these 3 pets are unarchived and Bella is archived there. And so if you ever screw up, all you can do is just click on the menu here and re-archive, unarchive, and just get to the system where you want to have all your clients that are active to be unarchived and all your inactive clients should be archived. Keeping your inactive clients archived is going to make your system faster because when you go to do things like create appointments, it doesn't need to pull up all those old archived clients. And so that is basically how you use the owner archiving tool and the pet archiving tool. If you have any questions, info@doggiedashboard.com. Otherwise, have a great day.